design for the Button Farm Club. I'm glad you could join me here today as I share with you what we're going to be making in our April folio kit. This is going to be one of our kits where we design our own custom folio. It's going to be so much fun. And we are working with a gorgeous shabby chic vintage collection from Memory Place. This is called Floral Tapestry. And you're going to get 12 by 12 sheets of this beautiful paper. It's 6 designs and you get 2 sheets of each design. So I'm just showing you the fronts and the backs. Look how beautiful these are for fussy cutting. And then gorgeous cut apart pages. This really pretty lined paper with this gorgeous floral border. And then some really beautiful cut aparts. I'm excited about these. These doilies are pretty. Just really simple, beautiful pages. We're going to make sort of a junk journal-y kind of. I'm still working it out in my head. I'm pretty excited about the ideas that I'm having. Then you're also going to get 3 12 by 12 sheets of heavy 18-point grocery bag craft cardstock. You're going to get the ephemera pack that comes with the paper collection, and this is just full of all kinds of really fun extras. Frames, words, floral bits, this sweet little clipboard, little film strip pieces, just all perfectly coordinated to go with the paper collection. Then we're going to have 3 yards of cream seam binding and 2 pearl-headed stick pins, 6 white doilies, and these gorgeous little birdie flowers. This is a waterfall pack. So you get this with these little extra ones and the pretty foliage all in one pack. So that is what comes in the kit. I'll be back. Oh, and I forgot almost these gorgeous mother of pearl buttons. I love these. You get 8 of these in mix and match sizes. And these will add perfect accents with this paper collection. So that's what comes in the kit. I'll be back in a minute to show you what we're going to make. So are you ready to see what we're going to make with all those paper pretties? We're going to make this gatefold front folio. This measures 7 by 8.5. It's based off of slimline cards. Each side of the gatefold is basically a slimline card. So you're going to learn how to make this beautiful dimensional cover and the base. And this is actually 2 projects in one, because inside the box pocket is another little folio, a little photo folio. And this has pockets and flaps and photo mats. It has, here's a little bonus card that I'm going to show you how to use your scraps to make. Little doily sized pockets. This is kind of like a junk journal. It's very, very sweet. Tip out pages, waterfalls. Another great area for large photos, little journaling spot. You can journal on the back. And then here's another little photo and a little pull-out page. Isn't that fun? So this is like the project within the project. But let me finish showing you the rest of the folio base because it's pretty amazing actually. This is a really fun project, and the cool thing is you can learn how to make the base, and then you can also learn how to do just this part, and then this part you can give. These are quick and easy. You can give these as gifts. So it really is 2 in 1. So over here is our slimline, room for journaling here. Then over here is a flap page, a little journal card with room for photos or hidden journaling inside here. And then you can stick small photos in the pocket, a little flap with room for 2 photos. And hold on, this pulls out like this. And then you've got these beautiful doilies that kind of just sink right into the background, room for photos here. This is our front cover, and then this opens out like this with tags and pockets. So a really, lots of fun little extra techniques and interactive parts. And then this is what I love. We actually have this little buckle, and this pulls out. See? So it just goes on and on. It's really fun. And then this just closes like that, and it holds the waterfall closed. So that is the project, Button Farm Club. And I hope you are excited to make this. I had a great time putting it together. Took a lot of thought. It was just kind of a different look, a lot of different techniques. You get all the great supplies, you get video tutorials, you get a basic written guide. It's the next best thing to taking an actual class with me, because I don't like to travel. And this way I get to do classes and share ideas with you, but I get to sleep in my own bed at night. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design, Button Farm Club. I will have a link in the description box below where you can go to place your order. This is perfect for Mother's Day. It's also a great wedding shower gift, an engagement party gift, anniversary, really beautiful. All right, guys, thanks. I'm gonna go get my craft on. Bye.